Hello to everyone! I'm Violetta in Russian for Foreigners today. Today we'll speak about grammar. Grammar is so serious part of a language to start speaking and communicating with people. So, but as you remember, we have 6 cases in Russian language, and without these cases, unfortunately, we can't continue. So check my previous video and you can see all information about these 6 cases. So, but I remind you anyway. Let's see about personal pronunciation today. Singular я, it means I or me, and we'll see how this ya will change at the cases. So first one will be nominative case, as you remember, answers at the questions who or кто or what, что. Я, who, я, кто, я. Next one, genitive, меня. Меня, it means someone invites me to the party without you. Me. I can say on, he is, invites me, he invites me. He invites me. Он пригласил меня. Он пригласил меня. He invites me. Меня. Он пригласил меня. Next one. Dative case. So, he invites me, but before he gives me a card, invitation card. So, he gives me invitation card. He, dative, мне, he gave me, он дал мне. You understand? He gives me. Он дал, gives, me, мне, that invitation card. So, мне. So, accusative case. Меня, меня. Instrumental. So, instrumental, мной. So, remember this example. You should memorize it because all examples will be the same to understand how these words will be changed. So, an instrumental will be мной. So, for instance, I should say, you proud of me. Ты гордишься мной. Гордишься means proud. Гордишься мной. Гордишься мной. You proud of me. Ты гордишься мной. Instrumental. Мной. Prepositional. You are thinking about me. You are thinking about me. Ты думаешь обо мне. Do you see? Обо мне. Обо мне. Обо мне. You are thinking about me. Ты думаешь обо мне. Would be good if you're thinking about me. Okay, thinking about lesson, it's better. So next one, plural. Plural, where we and ours are changing. So let's go to the board and we'll check how changing. So in nominative case, I didn't write it here down everything. I put just first letter to you understand what is that, but I will pronounce it to you memorize all. So nominative case, Мы. Who? Мы. Remember? Nominative case, the word answered the question who or what. Что or кто. Мы. Next one, genitive case. Нас. Do you remember my example about invitation? He invites us. You and me should go to the party. So, on, it means he, invites, пригласил, нас, you and me. He invites us. Он пригласил нас. Нас. Dative. Next example, to invite us to the party, he should give us the card invitation, remember? And he gives us the card invitation. How should I say in Russian? Он дал нам that card invitation. Приглашение. So, the first, нам. Next one, accusative, нас. It's not so difficult. Next one, instrumental, because he's proud of us. Он гордится нами. He is proud of me and you, and that's why he's proud of us. Он гордится нами. Do you understand? I hope so. Okay, this one, prepositional. He is thinking about us. Он думает о нас. He is thinking about you and me. Он думает about you and me, о нас. Он думает о нас. So, if you have some question, ask me please. Of course, I would be happy to answer. But let's continue. Singular form you. We have in Russian language singular and plural form, like formal and not formal. So if you use singular form you, it means you are talking with your friend or someone who you know, and it's not someone who is older than you. So let's check. Singular you, it means ты in a nominative case. Ты, nominative case. Next one, genitive case, тебя. If he invites just you to the party, not me, он пригласил тебя. He invites you. Он пригласил тебя. Next one, dative. Dative case. Do you remember we talked about card invitation? So he gives you the card invitation, not me. He gives just you. So он дал тебе. Он дал тебе. He gives you. So next one, accusative case. Тебя. Тебя. Тебя as in a genitive, the same here. Instrumental. Instrumental, he is proud of you. I'm proud of you because you're in my lesson and thinking about improving yourself. So I'm proud of you. Я горжусь тобой. Я горжусь тобой. Тобой. So, and thinking about you. Я думаю о тебе. I thinking about you. Я думаю о тебе. I'm thinking about you. О тебе. But pay attention. If we are talking about I am, like me, singular form, you are using обо мне. But in another, you should say о нас, о тебе, о нас in general, about us, about you and me, о нас, о тебе, it means just about you. So, but we have a plural form you, so you. Plural form you, and the same you should use in a formal situation when you are speaking with your teacher or someone who is older than you, and to show you that you are how to say, thinking that it's serious conversation, you know. So let's check. Nominative вы, nominative вы. Next one, genitive вас, invite вас, so you, invite you, пригласил вас. Pay attention, you should speak with a person to show your respect, or about people in a group, but we're using the same, вы. Вы, вас. Next one, dative вам, so they give you in plural form or formal, вам, he gave вам invitation, дал вам приглашение, invitation, приглашение. So next one, accusative вас, вас. Instrumental, instrumental will be вами. He proud of you, but in Russian он гордится вами. I can say in plural form, I'm proud of you, all my subscribers, because you're watching my video and improving yourself in Russian grammar. So thank you for it. I'm proud of you. Я горжусь вами. So, and last but not least, because this just first lesson, but we have a second one to complete this topic. So, next one, prepositional о вас. I'm thinking about you guys. Я думаю о вас. Or in a formal, you should say way, you should say also я горжусь вами, or я думаю о вас. Горжусь. It means in instrumental form, but thinking about you. Думаю о вас. Я думаю о вас. I'm thinking about you. So I think you will be also thinking about me and waiting my next lesson. I hope it was so useful for you. If you have any question, ask me, guys. I'm happy to help.